So the tow hitch just is held up well on this. Very well, but not so much those points there. Yes, and welcome back to camp. I've just finished stick raking and flattening the area out by the new electric fence, and this is what happens when these toothpicks get caught on a little stump or something. Something gives, and it's always at the weakest point, but this is not that weak. This plate here is 4mm, and the bottom plate is 6mm. So what I've got to do is I've got to cut that section out where it's marked, and I'll weld in a new 6mm piece, full penetration weld from one side, and then I'll get a 1/2 inch by 2 inch 50 by 12mm flat bar, and I'll weld it right the way along on this edge here to back up the edge. And it probably will happen again. These things break at the weakest point, so whatever the next is the weakest point, it'll break. So let's get to it. I'll show you as we go along. Okay, so what I've done is I've cut out the bad sections, and now I'll fit this bit of 6/4 inch steel plate back in here and fully weld it in. Okay, so here we are. The two plates tacked in place. They're 1/4 inch, 6mm. So let's fully weld them. Okay, so here we are, fully blasted on. One side and the other. Hard to see in the shadows, but that's a pretty good weld there. You get out of the sun. Lots of stops and starts. Just didn't want to blow through. Anyway, let's put the other bar on, eh? Okay, so we're back again. You can see that repair there, that repair there. And what we've done is we've put a 2 inch by 1/2 inch bar along there, or 50 by 12, and we'll fully weld that in, and that'll back up the original construction, and it'll repair where the damage was. So let's get it welded. Okay, so a 2 inch by 1/2 inch piece of steel been fully welded on there, and you can see there where the repair was underneath, and there, except under the sun, and there also. So all we're going to do is paint it, straighten up the rippers, and we can do some more work with it. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to straighten these rippers. They're tough. they're not that tough. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. That's how bent they are. Bent, still bent. Whew. So they used to be straight. Now they're hooked back. And it's almost straight, but still bent. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, so the final stage. We're back to hooked up, and the rippers are back in, and you can see there where I've replaced the section of steel, and I put that backing bar all the way along and straightened up the rippers. So it's time to go and grade the road. Thanks for coming along on this video, and just subscribe and like if you get value out of this channel. It encourages me to post more videos. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.